Alright, now the all-new bioactive sensor on the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra represents a significant leap forward in wearable health technology. Designed with precision and advanced biometrics in mind, this sensor integrates seamlessly into the watch's architecture, enabling comprehensive monitoring of vital signs. In this video, let's take a look at all those health-centric features which are offered in these brand new watches. Without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. First, the Energy Score. The Galaxy Watch Ultra and Watch 7 introduces an innovative feature called Energy Score, designed to provide users with a comprehensive view of their overall energy levels throughout the day. This feature leverages advanced sensor and algorithms to analyze various factors, including physical activity, heart rate variability, sleep patterns, and stress levels. By synthesizing this data, the watch calculates a personalized energy score that reflects the user's current state of energy and vitality. This score helps us make informed decisions about our daily activities, offering insights into when to rest, exercise, or engage in demanding tasks. As you see on Samsung Health application, we have got this energy score feature. When I tap on that, I can see my energy score here, and you can also see some more details. Energy score factors like sleep time leverage, sleep time consistency, bed wake up time consistency, sleep timing, previous day activity, sleeping HR, sleeping HRV, HR during sleep, HRV during sleep, skin temperature during sleep, respiratory rate during sleep. There is so much of information available here which are gathered by the watch, and it acts as a holistic wellness tool promoting better self-awareness and supporting a balanced lifestyle. By combining all this data, the watch will ascertain the energy levels. Now let's move on to the second feature. This is called the AGE's Index. This is an advanced health metric designed to provide users with insights into their physiological age relative to their chronological age. AGE's Index, or Advanced Glycation End Products Index, measures the accumulation of glycation end products in the body, which are linked to aging and various health conditions. By utilizing specialized sensors and algorithms, the watch analyzes biological markers and lifestyle factors including diet, exercise, and sleep pattern. The resulting AGE's index gives us a clearer understanding of our overall metabolic health and aging process. This information helps us make healthier lifestyle choices and monitor the effectiveness of the wellness routines. That's another brilliant feature we have got on the Galaxy Watch 7 series. Next, Samsung is using the AI for better sleep analysis on the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Watch 7. So the watch integrates advanced AI technology for sleep analysis, offering us a detailed understanding of the sleep patterns and quality. This feature utilizes sophisticated algorithms to analyze various sleep stages such as light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep by monitoring heart rate, movement, and other physiological signals. The AI-driven analysis provides insights into sleep duration, consistency, and disturbances, allowing us to identify potential issues like insomnia or irregular sleep cycles. Additionally, the AI adapts to individual sleep patterns over time, offering personalized recommendations to improve sleep hygiene and overall restfulness. This intelligent approach to sleep tracking helps us optimize our nightly rest, leading to better health, improved energy levels, and enhanced well-being. Apart from these brand new features, we do have heart rate monitoring on the watch, we have got ECG monitoring, and we have got blood oxygen measurement. Monitoring blood oxygen levels has become increasingly relevant, especially in the context of respiratory health. The Galaxy Watch Ultra features an SpO2 sensor that measures the percentage of oxygen in the blood, providing insights into respiratory efficiency and overall health. And then we also have stress monitoring and management, fitness and workout tracking, and we also have body composition analysis right on your wrist. The body composition analysis is a unique feature of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Using a combination of bioelectrical impedance analysis and advanced sensors, the watch measures metrics such as body fat percentage, skeletal muscle mass, basal metabolic rate, and body water percentage. This feature offers a comprehensive view of the user's physical health, enabling them to make informed decisions about their diet and exercise routines. This provides a more nuanced understanding of fitness beyond simple weight measurement, allowing for more targeted and effective health management. Apart from these health-centric features, we also have fitness and workout tracking features. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is an excellent companion for fitness enthusiasts, offering extensive workout tracking capabilities. The watch supports over 90 workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and hiking. It automatically detects the type of exercise and tracks relevant metrics such as distance, speed, and calories burned. Additionally, the watch offers real-time coaching for selected activities, providing guidance and motivation to help users achieve their fitness goals. The built-in GPS, altimeter, and compass further enhances its utility for outdoor adventures, making it an ideal device for tracking and improving physical performance. We also have multi-workout feature on the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Watch 7, which represents a significant advancement in fitness tracking technology, offering users the ability to seamlessly switch between different exercises during a single workout session. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who engage in varied routines, such as triathletes or cross-training enthusiasts. With multi-workout, the watch can automatically detect and record distinct activities such as running, cycling, and swimming within a single session without the need for manual intervention. This ensures comprehensive data tracking for each segment, including specific metrics like distance, speed, heart rate, and calories burned. By streamlining the tracking process and providing detailed analytics for diverse activities, the multi-workout feature enhances the overall workout experience, helping users to monitor their performance and optimize their training regimes more effectively. These are some incredible new health-centric features offered on the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch 7. This is a powerhouse of health features, offering a wide range of tools to monitor and improve physical and mental well-being. If you are someone who wants to start focusing on your health and fitness, or if you are already a fitness fanatic or a pro athlete, this is the watch you should be considering. That is all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. There are many other videos about these watches I've already posted on the channel. You can go ahead and check out the channel for more Galaxy Watch content. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video informative. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.